Okay, now we have this issue. We hide a labels. So when we hide a labels, we don't see this upload document label. So it will just choose file button. So to fix it, we have to add the CSS code. So I will just publish this, and here will be its look, but we need upload file text here. So first I will copy the text from here and paste the text like this, then publish this. And now I go to dashboard. On dashboard I have to add this code. So I will go to appearance and customize. You can find this code on the resources section. So then I go to additional CSS and add the CSS code like this and click on publish. Now let's come here and preview changes. Now we can see the label. So find this code on the resources section. Now we have to add the CSS code. Before we do that, I feel this size is bit bigger. So let's come here and make this width as 60, and this second container width will be 40. Then we have 100 size of the width. Okay, now what we have to do is add style.